Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a Shea Moisture unboxing video. You're gonna need to stop. I'm really excited because I am finally a Sheabassdor. I've been trying to do this for the longest. I just didn't know how to become a Sheabassdor, and I'm a Sheabassdor, and I'm really excited. Zara, you're gonna have mango everywhere. And I can't wait to show you guys what's in this box. So let's get into this video. But before we get started, guys, please click down below to subscribe. Oh my God, y'all. We are close to 2,000 subscribers. I know that's not a lot to some of you guys, but to me, it is a lot, okay? We've come so far. We are almost there. My goal to 5,000 by the summer. You guys are making it happen. Thank you so much. And also, I am trying to figure out what to give you guys for the first giveaway. And I think what I want to do is start small and get bigger as the giveaways go. So for the first one, I think I'm going to do a gift card and maybe something else. But I have something planned. I'm trying to partner with people. So in my next video, I will let you guys know what is going to be on the giveaway. That way you will know what you could be winning. But until then, please click down below to subscribe. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, each new 1,000 subscriber I get until I get to 5,000, I'm going to be doing a new giveaway. That is 4 giveaways. So in order for you to enter into the giveaway, you have to be subscribed first. So you might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, please click the bell down below to be notified when I post my video, so you can be the first one to watch. I am finally a Sheabassdor. I am super excited. So what Shea Moisture do is each year they pick a group of people to be a Sheabassdor for them that year. And you are always a Sheabassdor once you become one. And I'm really excited to do this because one of my other friends here on YouTube was one. And I was trying to figure out how can I become one. And then I finally saw the post for it a couple of months ago. And what I had to do was basically enter a video. I had to fill out a form and enter a video. And it was like literally like 30 seconds. So you guys know how hard it is to say what you gotta say in 30 seconds. It was hard. And I entered in the video and let them know why I want to become a Sheabassdor, and I'm going to show you guys what it was. Hi, Shea Moisture. Tell you guys why I should be a Sheabassdor. I like to tell my fiance we're the Shea Moisture household. Everybody that know us know that we love Shea Moisture products. I have so many Shea Moisture things around my house. I use it for my baby on a daily basis. The Shea Moisture baby line is perfect for her skin, and I also use it on my oldest daughter who loves your product. She said it always smells like cake and candy. So I hope you guys choose me as a Sheabassdor. Alright, so you guys saw my little video. I thought it was really cute, and I think Zara helped. Zara helped a lot, right? So Zara helped me get to where I was. She got me, y'all. Zara helped me get this. But it was super fun, and I was super excited because I didn't think they were going to choose me anyways. Y'all, let's just get to the box. Like, get this. Hold on, I got one hand. This is the box. Oh, I'm going to blur out my address. What do you want? You want that? No, because you're going to mess it up. You want this? The box come... Oh. What about to say? Hey, Zara. So the box is really huge. It's kind of heavy, and so I already took the tape off because for my convenience. Oh, it's the other side. So when you open the box, hold on. Guys, look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh my God, I thought this was so cute and gorgeous. Like, I love how it has all these different, like, basically the ingredients of what is in some of their products. So inside the box, let me show you guys what's inside the box. Let me show you. Can you hold yourself? Dang. So this is the box, and you can see it's packaged really nicely. That ambassador card was inside the box, so I did open the box, but I haven't looked at exactly what the products are. But the ambassador card was in there, and then this card is in there, which talks about the products. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 5 products that's in there right here, and it says it's available at Walmart. So it just gives a little bit of background history about the company and the products, and it talks about some of the products. So let's get into some of these products, and this card will come in handy for me to explain. The first thing that I see is this cute little brush. Yeah, it doesn't say what this brush is. Like, what is that brush that you use for your curls and make your curls like really pretty or curlier? I was hoping that this was that type of brush. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it. Oh my god. Oh, and it has Shea moisture on it. Oh, this is so cute. Girl. This is what it looks like. I'm really loving it. It's really pretty. I think this will make my curls look nice, and Zoe's curls. And then it has like the little Shea moisture logo. Y'all, look at this. Okay, the next thing that I see, it's a lot of these little things everywhere, so I'm gonna try to put them in the trash before the kiddos get to them. It's a hydrate and repair shampoo. This is Manuka. I can't say these words. Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo with you know what, with some oils, y'all. I'm so bad with this. I cannot. It's for extremely dry and brittle hair, and I love that their products are all cruelty-free products. So okay, so this is the shampoo. This is the hydrate and repair shampoo, and guys, they gave us full samples. Look at this. This ain't no little tester, and this is a full. Ooh, that smells good. This is a full-size sample. This is like a 13-ounce shampoo. This is like what you would actually buy in the store. They knew that like we need a lot of shampoo for our curls. That little tester ain't gonna do it. Oh my god, that smells so good. I can't wait to use this. Sarah, what you think? Oh, she's trying to eat it. The next thing, ooh, this is cute. The cute little bottle. This is sugarcane extract and meadow form seed. Silicone free miracle styling leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. So it's for all hair types. I don't even know what this does. It's just a leave-in conditioner. Spray into the palm of hands and gently run fingers through dry styled hair or mist through damp hair for detangling or heat styling. Yes, because I'm about to straighten my hair in the next couple of days, so this will be perfect for my hair. I'm really excited to try this out. Oh my gosh, Shea moisture, y'all kill me. Y'all just don't understand how good this smells. Another full-size container. This is 100% vegan virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner with milk and something else I can't pronounce. Good for all hair types once again, and it's just basically a conditioner for your hair. And this is, so it says for best results, use after the daily hydration shampoo. So this will probably be good. This one and this one will probably be really good together. Oh yeah, now I'm about to do it. I'm about to smell it. Zara, stop eating this brown stuff. This one don't have a strong scent. This smells really, really nice, but the scent on this conditioner doesn't have a super strong smell to it. My god, y'all. Okay, the next thing is this. I'm really excited about this because I was going to go, when I was at TJ Maxx, they had a whole bunch of like the castor oil stuff from Shea Moisture like there, and it was like $4.99 for like tubes of the conditioner and the shampoo and stuff. And I was like, no, just hold off, because I love their castor oil line, the Jamaican black castor oil line. I love it because it helped grow out my hair and Zoe hair. Like, it's a whole nother story. But guys, oh my god, if you haven't tried that yet, y'all need to go and pick some of that up. They have like the leave-in, they have the conditioner, and they have the I don't think it's leave-in, I think it's like a mask, the conditioner and the shampoo. Oh my god, it's so good. But this is the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo, shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I haven't used this one, but I heard about this one. This one has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it, and it's for natural chemically processed or heat styled hair. And my child is eating all the brown things. Y'all done gave her paper to eat on. Don't eat the paper, baby girl. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta smell this, but look how it looks. This is this one. Oh, let me show you. Okay, this one smells like the other ones. It has that castor oil smell. It doesn't smell terribly bad or anything, but it smells like the other ones that I've used. I just haven't used this one because this one has like the apple cider vinegar and the other stuff, but I haven't used that one before. Okay, and the last thing in this box is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner with silk protein and that's how you said oil. It's for thick curly hair, which I'm excited for. So is this a leave-in? Okay, it's a rinse. So yes, your girl got some more. I actually used this one before, so I know what this one's like. The packaging just looks different, but I've used this one before. I think I still have some left over. Oh yeah, I've used this one before. I love the smell of this one, but I'm going to do the other two first. But Zara keeps trying to eat all the little brown things. Move, baby girl. So that was all 5, well 6 because it was a brush, but all 5 hair care products in the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really excited. I will do tutorials on using these products so you guys can see how it works with my curls, with my girls' hair, and I'm really excited. And thank you, Shea Moisture. If you guys did not get a chance to become a Sheabassdor this year, you can always wait until next year. It is totally worth it, and I'm really excited to try out these products for you guys, and I hope you guys will join me on my next video when I do test out some of these Shea Moisture products, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Do not forget to click down below and subscribe. Bye guys.